that I purchased, and it's around actually half kg. I'll be baking it, and I'll be baking it in the oven by putting it into the foil wrap. Okay, what I have done, I just cleaned the fish, I washed it, cleaned it, and then I add lemon, black pepper and salt. Okay, I just sprinkle the sea salt and lemon and black pepper on it, and then I marinate it for around overnight. And now I'm going to put it in the foil wrap. I'll show you how I'm doing it, and then I'm going to bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around half an hour, and then I'll show you what is the outcome. Okay, so let's wrap it. Now I'm just opening it like this, and I'll be keeping inside the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the situation. Fish हमारी ready हो चुकी भी है. There is no water left. It's all dried up, but ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बिल्कुल मतलब अकड़ी हुई हो या dried हो. ये juicy है, ठीक है? And then now I'll dish it out in a platter. I'm serving it with the sides of French fries and corns, some vegetables, and I actually am trying this new sauce from Coleman's tartar sauce. Okay, so I'll try this, and let's see how it turns out.